Morning, guys. This is Dan with the Bullish Bears team. Going to do a quick, very quick pre-market stream for you guys on YouTube. We've also got Creed in our trade room today. He's doing some pre-market as well. So we're both going through the charts, taking a look at the gap scan. I'm going to just move my chart for a second, just show you. If you guys want to check out our Trade Ideas scanner, we actually stream this in our community so you can watch it live. As the stats change, we're looking at these two up gappers, down gappers to kind of see, you know, who's moving, what are the setups like, what's the volume, percent gap, float, short float, all that good stuff, and take that into consideration with making some morning trades. So just to show you guys, I've got AMRS, looking at the momentum on this one. This one was in a up channel, fell out of it, kind of cup and handled, and then we're back to gapping up. So once one of these channels kind of it pops out, we're looking at the next dominant pattern to see what we have forming. It looks like we have kind of a widening channel. So this is a bit of a megaphone pattern on AMRS, and there is let's see, you've got that pre-market high from yesterday that we've kind of gapped over, pulled back, and retested. So this thing's currently in an uptrend. We'll see if it can get back up to VWAP and maybe retest the top of this channel around 279, 280. There's also the $3 magnet Fibonacci line potentially going to pull price up. Would love to see cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, some type of bullish pattern form on AMRS. Let's see. Let's take a look at. Now this is one of obviously much larger float, but BlackBerry had a good earnings reaction. Let's see. Is there any? Let's mark out. That's what I like to do. I usually will do this on TrendSpider because it's quicker, but I want to mark out where the current price action is at. So we're above the 200 SMA on BlackBerry. Daily momentum starting to pick up. So this is a nice gap up. This could be a really decent gap and go play. Maybe a multi-day swing trade runner. It looks like there's a little bit of angular daily resistance right here. So let's see. Yeah, so right at about 1025. So there's maybe a 10 to 1025 play, but this thing has moved up pretty nicely. Above there, you're looking at a pretty big angular daily breakout on this particular daily trend line. So we'll see if we can hit 1025. Maybe it's a good short from 1025. We'll have to watch the price action and kind of see. But this is on the watch list as well. Let's take a look at SEEL. This one has been pretty hot on the daily chart. We were in a decent uptrend, and we're pretty close to this, or over this 50%. No, 50% retracement is at 468. So I've got a couple different channels. I'm looking at 392 as being a pretty critical support level or gravity line. So if we can get above that, we can hit 412. We can start to move up. I'd love to see this thing run today up to this 50% retracement level, which is 468. And then we've got a top channel. So I really want to see this thing break out of this dotted line here through this angular resistance. If we can get price above 392 to 395 and above here with maybe a stop at 391, then I would look to maybe take this up to 468. We'll just have to watch the volume, but definitely a hot mover on SEEL. Let's take a look at VKTX. This one is gapping up and kind of light volume, you know, hit 918, pulled back. I got 913 as the fib magnet on this particular one. Let's take a look at the 5-day, 5-minute. Kind of look at, all right, so we've got some angular support out here. So we're close to breaking out of this channel from the last 2 days, or actually most of the week we spent in this channel. and really the breakout happens above 913, we can potentially test this 980 again. Of course, we want to watch our $half level, watch that 980 level, and then you have top channel resistance on a kind of more of a medium term hourly trend. The top channel tops out a little bit here. Actually, let me redraw this. So you got potential resistance up here around 10 bucks. So yeah, this could be interesting. Again, we're gonna have to watch the volume and check out the order flow and see if this thing's gonna break out above this 913 level. You got 950, 980, and then potentially 10 bucks on VKTX. Could be a good morning runner. What else did I say I was gonna mark out? VTVT, did we already do this one? VTVT, we've got a bit of a consolidation triangle here after the gap up. Low 160 yesterday, high at 203. There is not much of a megaphone pattern. It's kind of, it's there. That 200 SMA in the hourly was rejected pretty nice. So if this thing does run, I'm looking for that $2 level to try to hold it down. So first it needs to break out of this triangle. If it does, $2 could smack it down. Ultimately, this channel here should put a stop to it. Just looking at the tape, if you look at the hourly tape of where resistance came in and the trend was kind of halted, you've got really this top channel through here that's saying, you know, going to keep price contained. So you got $2 and then you get just 205. So really $2 looks like a ceiling on that one. Let's see, I got time for one more. Let's take a look at SPY. So SPY, I've got a minor retracement here, and SPY broke out of this triangle. There was a triangle here, SPY broke down, expanded into a new triangle, and now we did a cup and handle breakout. So SPY is looking to end the month and end the Friday expiration in a bullish move. So you got resistance right in through here. We're actually above this resistance. There's a bit of a gap, and maybe we gap fill today. Maybe we break through all these lines. It's Friday. They can pin it. Market makers can pin it wherever they want. I'm going to be watching each one of these minor retracement fib levels that I've customized to act as support and resistance today. And you can see 282.35 is that level, and we're just above it now. So we could pull all the way back to 281.41. We could trade in a range. Anything can happen. Short-term momentum is up. Angular support is it's a nice clean channel. You can see 281.80s, but all three of these levels, 283.30, 282.35, 281.41, I'll be looking at these for any type of stop and go price action. All right, guys, there's 5 minutes left to the bell. I'm going to head back into our trade room. If you guys want to check us out, you watch this stream, you'd like to really join our trade room for free, you guys can check us out. We got a two-week trial on the website, so you just got to go to bullishbears.com and you guys can subscribe and read about what we do, watch our video, talks about our story, and you can read our reviews, and you guys can check out the trial offer that we have, 14-day free trial, so 0 risk. So thanks for watching, YouTubers. Good luck trading today. Happy Friday. And stay safe out there, and we'll see you on the next one.